Well, I've got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video. Today we have something from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Charlie's Custom Clones. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I already did a little pre-slice just to save a little time. Let's finish opening this. We do have a manifest. And looks like we got some cool stickers. Variety of stuff. And then parts themselves. So what these are just some parts I want to order for some clone builds. And here's the logo from the slip. So Charlie's Custom Clones. And you can see here they did provide some extra neat stuff. So you can see the Charlie's logo there and a hologram sticker with an M110. Very cool. Nothing on the back. Next up is a spur sticker. You know, they make very cool parts as well. And what we have here is a Charlie's Customs clone sticker as well, but kind of coaster sized. So you can see that there. Very cool. Thank you. What these are 6 let me get it right off the manifest. Mil-spec ambi magazine release, Mil-spec Norgon type. So these are the Norgon style ambidextrous magazine release. So it's the kind of goes on the left side of the receiver, and then if you press in this way, you can see how it would actually push this side in and thus release this portion here, which would drop the magazine free. This is actually the hub that goes into the hole in the side of the magazine. Now, typically Norgon packages their items, if you order directly from Norgon, with this type of package, just for your reference. And they would also include their own type of advertising stickers as well. But these were ordered through Charlie's Customs Clones. They probably ordered these in bulk. And you can see here, they just come in little plastic envelopes. So 6 of the Norgon style Mil-spec ambi magazine releases. Again, these came from Charlie's Custom Clones. So we'll go ahead and look at that logo. So feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Charlie's Custom Clones. This has been another unboxing or unenveloping video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do a selection of show and tell videos. We also do a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.